The year is 1896. Across Africa, the boots of European colonizers crush ancient kingdoms into dust. But in the highlands of Ethiopia, Emperor Menelik II and Empress Taitu Batul prepare to make their last stand. This is the true story of how Ethiopia defied imperialism and won, not with luck, but with strategy, unity, and raw courage. By 1885, Europe's scramble for Africa had reached a fever pitch. King Leopold II of Belgium turned Congo into his personal slaughterhouse. France seized West Africa. Britain took Egypt. And Italy wanted Ethiopia. But Ethiopia was no ordinary prize. For 3,000 years, it had resisted invaders, from ancient Egypt to Ottoman Turks. Its emperors traced their lineage to King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. And Menelik II? He was not about to surrender. Italy's first move: trickery. In 1889, they signed the Treaty of Wuchale with Menelik, but secretly changed the Italian version to claim Ethiopia as their protectorate. When Menelik discovered the fraud, he burned the treaty and declared, "Ethiopia has no need of anyone. She stretches her hand unto God." Menelik knew war was coming, so he outsmarted Europe at its own game. The arms deal: he traded ivory, gold, and coffee for 100,000 modern rifles from France, Russia, and even Italy itself. The spy network: Empress Taitu's agents infiltrated Italian camps, feeding them false intelligence. The unity play: for the first time in centuries, Menelik united Ethiopia's fractured kingdoms, Amhara, Oromo, Tigray, into one army. By 1895, Ethiopia had 120,000 troops, more than twice Italy's force, and they were armed to the teeth. In December 1895, the Italians thought they had the upper hand. They occupied Wuchale, a key fortress, but Menelik let them take it, then cut off their water supply. For 2 months, the Italians starved. Their general Baratieri begged Rome for reinforcements, but all he got was a telegram from Prime Minister Crispi: "This is a military disgrace. Attack now." On February 29, 1896, Baratieri ordered 3 brigades to march at night toward Adwa, but his maps were wrong. His troops got lost in the mountains, and by dawn, they were walking straight into hell. At 6 a.m., the first shots rang out. The Italians, exhausted and lost, faced wave after wave of Ethiopian cavalry, snipers hidden in the cliffs, women warriors like Wazero Abechi, who led charges with swords drawn. By noon, Italy's army collapsed. 3,000 Italians were captured alive. Their African allies fared worse. Many had their right hands amputated for betraying Africa. The final blow? Empress Taitu personally led her army to finish the retreat. Italy's dream of empire shattered in a single day. The world reeled from Ethiopia's victory. Italy's government fell. Crispi resigned in disgrace. Europe panicked. For the first time, they negotiated with an African king as an equal. Pan-Africanism ignited. From Jamaica to Senegal, Adwa became a rallying cry. But Italy never forgot. In 1935, Mussolini invaded again, with poison gas and aerial bombs. Yet even then, Ethiopia's resistance never broke. As Haile Selassie warned the League of Nations, "It is us today. It will be you tomorrow." Today, Adwa isn't just history. It's proof that imperialism can be defeated, that unity is stronger than greed, and that no nation, no matter how small, is destined to kneel. So the next time someone says Africa was always colonized, remind them, once an emperor stood tall, and an army of farmers, women, and kings broke the unbreakable. If this story of unbreakable courage moved you, like, subscribe, and share. Because history like this, it deserves to be remembered.